Okay, good evening, good morning guys. So welcome back to my channel after 4 months. I will do the recording or video today. So for you guys wondering why I don't have any upload anymore, it's because I do have a permanent work and I'm too busy to edit and to make some videos. So since we have a pile up of laptop repair for now, so I'll lessen the pile up and we'll start with this one, Asus X515E. So no power. I've already let the customer sign the parts: battery, hard drive, keyboard and SSD, and RAM, and the board. So no swapping issues will be occur. So this is a no power. Let's check. Red probe on the ground and black probe on our MOSFET 1. No reading, so it's okay. MOSFET 2, okay, and PR. Okay, so we have a 0 value for the diode mode in PR. So with this conclusion, we have a main power rail issue. Main power rail is 19 volts voltage source, or 19 volts source issue. Sorry for my bad English. I'm trying to explain it in English because of the comments from our YouTube channel that I should speak in English in order for them to understand. And I'm not using my mother tongue or my own language. Okay, so you can see there is a 0.00 voltage drop. So the normal value should be like this one. It's around 0.5, 0.4, 0.4, something like that. That's the this one. This value is the ideal value for this PR. So let's take a look what is what I meant by the PR. So okay, just to show you, I will show you what I mean. So this is the DC in, ground and positive. DC in will go here from the first MOSFET. So using the beep mode, so 19 volts in to our PES. can see there is connected here, and then we'll go to the second MOSFET, and then we'll go to this PR. Okay, so if we inject voltage for this one, if we inject voltage, I'm using only 4 volts or 5 volts and at 2 amps. 4 volt at 2 amps. As you can see, it's fully short. It consumes maximum of 2 amps and 0 voltage. So there is something hot on this motherboard as we do the voltage injection. So I'll try to locate where it is. So it's better to remove the board first because it's hard to find where is the shorted component. Try to look for the obvious physical burn of the component. That's RT, it's the sound card. Not here, not here also. Okay, not here. So not here, so maybe in this one. I should remove the Wi-Fi card. It might be hiding somewhere here. Okay, let's take a look again. No obvious physical burn. I think this is the one. No. Not also. Not here. Not here. This one. This one. No. Here. This is the one. This is the obvious. See? See that? It's the obvious crack on the motherboard. So we will knock this one. We will knock off. Let me get some tweezer. And let's knock this one off. It's bit hard. Yes. Okay. It's a bypass capacitor. Okay, let's test again on our PR using diode mode, positive to ground and negative to our PR. See, it's normal now, 0.4. I think this will turn on. Let's put it back and let's test it. So this is a common for other unit or laptop brand. It happens all the time. So someone might ask, what's the cause of that? I really don't know. It's just because of the age of the unit, I guess. This is not for this one, so I'm just putting back all these screws. I'm very positive that's the main issue. Test it out. I hope this will work. Okay, I'll inject the 19 volts now. Where is the power on? Where's the power on again? It's in the keyboard. Okay. it's not powering on. Let's try the charger. Charger, let's plug in. Yes, there is a light. So fan spin, no fan spin yet. There's the fan spin, but we don't have the display. There it is. Okay, see, we already fixed the issue. Okay, that was an easy one. It's an i5 11th gen, 8 gigs of RAM. Yeah, so we already fixed the issue. That was an easy one. Okay, I'll assemble this one and then we'll proceed with the other unit here. I just pause the video and we'll start again later. Okay, bye bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subs if you like the video.